What's up guys, this is Josh here, and today I'm going to show you on how to connect your A6 smartwatch to your smartphone. Let's go. Alright guys, what's up? This is Josh Tech here again, and welcome back to my channel. And today is what we have here is the our A6 smartwatch that we reviewed 2 weeks ago, and I have not uploaded the video yet on how to connect it. And but unfortunately, guys, for some reasons I couldn't really find the charger, so I'm really frustrated right now. So I just want to tell you what kind of application that you can do in order to use your smartwatch and to connect it and to sync the time. So what we have here, just go to your Play Store if you are Android user, and go to your App Store for iOS, and just click on Lee Fun Health. Alright, so okay, as you can see here, so just install it. Alright guys, so now it's installing. Okay, and now it's already installed, so let's click open. Alright, so this is the interface here, and at the bottom, I mean the when you open the application, you can see here the search, and just click on yes, okay, and just click on allow everything, you guys. Here, appear on top, and if you want to appear it on top. Right, so as you can see here, you already have here your steps, your kcal, and just easy, guys. Just kindly click here the three horizontal lines in here on your upper left, and just click device name or connection, and Bluetooth. Yes, and actually, so here no device connected, so you just have to wait that your device will appear, and just click it, and it will actually be sync into your the notification of from your smartphone to your smartwatch, as well as the time, you guys. So here is the application, and you can see here some my personal data, my device, okay, because we have not connected it, target. All right. Okay, so I'm really sorry, guys. I have been looking for the charger high and low, but I cannot find it. So if you have just any questions, guys, just comment down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button for more updates of the affordable smartwatch and gadgets. Okay, and again, this has been Josh, and I'll see you soon.